I've been in the rain. So you know it's your boy Solo Zay, man. It's that BYBBTA shit. Yeah, I've been in the rain. It's a lot that's running through my mind. Thinking like, why these niggas gotta change all the time? Nigga friends turning enemies, yeah, they turning enemies. Damn, it's fucked up how these niggas really change. Thinking to myself like, man, you can't trust a thing. Hell no, mama telling me, son, you gotta change. Lately I've been trying to get it right, I'm stuck up in this rain. Man, damn, it's a lot that's running through my brain. Yeah, like ever since I lost my cousin, I ain't felt a damn thing. I jump up in this car, I need to clear my damn brain. 5 years straight, all I ever felt was pain. Friends turning enemies, yeah, these niggas change. Like tell me how somebody stand this long in the rain. Yeah, like tell me how somebody stand this long in the rain. But that's why I take these X pills so I don't feel a thing. I'm thinking about my brother, I swear they don't feel his pain. They telling me I need to talk about it, but they ain't gon' change a thing. Yeah, they ain't gon' change a thing. Yeah, fucked up how these niggas really change. Thinking to myself like, man, you can't trust a thing. Hell no, mama telling me, son, you gotta change. Lately I've been trying to get it right, I'm stuck up in this rain. Man, damn, it's a lot that's running through my brain. Yeah, like ever since I lost my cousin, I ain't felt a damn thing.